This is Mrs. Clark, and we are doing long division. We're going to do 512 divided by 8. 512 is the dividend, so you would put that here in these boxes. Divide by 8. So that's the divisor. It's how many groups you're dividing into. So if we take a look at it here, you could take 512 dots and go one for you, one for you, one for you, etc., into 8 groups. And the answer, the quotient, is how many are in each group. This takes a long time. So we use the standard algorithm because it's faster. You just divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Purple, red, green, blue. Let's get started. Starting with division, we would normally say, what is 5 divided by 8? Or how many times could 8 fit into 5? But 5 is a smaller number than 8. Can you divide 5 divided by 8? No, we cannot divide 5 divided by 8. 8 cannot fit into 5. So what numbers should we divide instead? Just like the last question, we're going to take 2 digits instead, and we'll do 51 divided by 8. So what is 51 divided by 8? In other words, how many times can 8 fit into 51? Or how many times can you multiply or skip count that 8 to get close to 51 without going over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's too far. The answer is 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. So you don't exactly hit 51, but 6 is how many times you can fit in to 51 without going over, and that's the closest you can get. So put the 6 up top. So 51 divided by 8 is 6. The next step is to multiply. So think about the last number that you touched. What numbers will we multiply? And it is always one of the numbers that you just used. In our case, we just put that 6 in. You're going to use that. You're going to multiply 6 times 8. And what is 6 times 8? Make some groups or skip count. 6 times 8 is 48. So put that here in the red boxes. The next step is subtraction. What numbers are we subtracting? And hint, use one of the last numbers you touched, which was the 48. You're subtracting 51 minus 48, which is 3. Put the 3 in the green box. The next step is to bring down. And what digit are we going to bring down? Bring down the 2. And now we're going to start the steps over and divide again. So what numbers are we dividing? And use that hint. One of the numbers is always the last number you touched, which was the 2. That's a hint, but you're going to use the 3 and the 2 actually. Keep the 3 from before. With the 2, you're doing 32 divided by 8. In other words, how many times can 8 fit in or multiply into 32? Or how many times can you skip count 8 to get close to 32 without going over? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you actually hit it exactly. The answer is 4. Put this up top where the quotient goes. Our next step is multiplication. What numbers are we going to multiply? Hint, it's one of the numbers you just used. That was the 4. You're going to multiply 4 times 8. And put your answer in these red boxes here. 32. One more step. Subtract to see if there is a remainder. 32 minus 32 is 0. And we're all finished. So since there's no remainder, that means that 512 can be divided evenly into exactly 8 groups with nothing left over. And it also means if you multiplied 64 times 8, you would get exactly 512.